Vijay Mauly, a blind man, has overcome incredible challenges to build a successful life and career. Born in 1969 in Andhra Pradesh to a government officer father and a homemaker mother, Vijay's family later settled in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He has two brothers. Vijay's world changed forever at the age of 14 when he lost his sight due to complications from glaucoma surgery. Despite this devastating setback, Vijay refused to let his disability define him. Driven by determination and a relentless spirit, Vijay embarked on a remarkable entrepreneurial journey. On September 30, 1985, he and his friend started a coffee powder retail shop. Vijay's friend invested in the business, while Vijay contributed the building and fearlessly managed the day-to-day operations. Together, they built a thriving business supplying coffee powder to hotels, restaurants, and other establishments. By the time they closed the shop in April 1992, they had served a total of 898 customers. Not content with just one venture, Vijay's entrepreneurial drive led him to start a stationery business in 1992 with a small investment of just 3,000 rupees. He ran the business successfully until 2010, when he closed it with a customer base of 2,340 and a stock value of 40 lakhs. Vijay's business acumen was evident as he ventured into manufacturing, wholesaling, and retailing stationery products. In 1990, Vijay expanded his business horizons by entering the real estate market. Despite his visual impairment, he fearlessly navigated the complexities of constructing apartments and independent houses, as well as buying and selling properties. Vijay's journey wasn't without its challenges. He faced setbacks, including the closure of his coffee shop and expanded printing business. However, he consistently demonstrated resilience and a willingness to adapt. In his personal life, Vijay found happiness in companionship. He married in 1993 and is a proud father of two daughters. Both daughters have completed their education, with one earning a BCom degree and the other an MBA. They now actively support their father's businesses. Vijay attributes much of his success to the unwavering support and encouragement of his wife and the contributions of his family, business associates, office staff, and loyal customers. Their belief in him and their willingness to be his partners in every endeavor have been instrumental to his achievements. Vijay's story is an inspiration, showcasing the power of human spirit and the ability to overcome adversity. His entrepreneurial ventures, spanning diverse industries, stand as a testament to his unwavering determination and business acumen. In addition to his other business ventures, Vijay also started a supermarket business in 2003, which he ran successfully until 2022. From 2008 to 2012, Vijay also ventured into the recruitment industry, placing candidates in both IT and non-IT roles. He also started an online business in 2010, which he operated until 2021. Drawing on his vast experience across multiple industries, Vijay established a business consultancy firm named VSK Business Consultant in 2022. Currently based in Chennai, the firm offers expert advice and guidance to businesses of all sizes and sectors, helping them overcome challenges and achieve their goals. Beyond his professional life, Vijay has a passion for old photographs and classic cinema songs. He also enjoys exploring the diverse flavors of different cuisines. Despite his visual impairment, Vijay has developed a keen appreciation for music and rhythm. He enjoys listening to various genres of music, including Tamil and Telugu film songs. He also has a talent for playing instruments such as the violin, mridangam, veena, tabla, and keyboard. Vijay completed his education up to the 10th standard, also known as the SSC level, before his vision loss. His primary languages are Tamil and Telugu. Vijay's success is not only due to his entrepreneurial skills but also his strong knowledge of the market and his ability to build relationships with customers and employees. You can reach Vijay Mauly at 9,840,336,999.